Pupils of Faith Olabisi Idahosa Montessori School with some of their teachers don't carry waka go pay courtesy visit to Egor Local Government Chairmo, Eghe Ogbemudia for Egor Local Government Council Secretariat. The pupils of FOI Montessori School surprised Eghe Ogbemudia with different costumes where them wear showcasing different occupations like doctor, soldier, lawyer and even Mary and Joseph to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ wey be Christmas. Egor Chairmo can sing, dance, play with the pupils. Faith Idahosa on behalf of the pupils can talk say them can welcome Eghe Ogbemudia back home and say,
"Good day, our dearest mommy. My name is Faith Idahosa. We, the pupils of FY Montessori School, we like to say welcome back home. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance to our dearest mommy, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia."
Eghe Ogbemudia can't thank the children and talk say belle sweet her wella for the card wey them give her and she go cherish the card sake of say now the children make the card by themselves and can't still talk of the blessings wey come with children.
Hello children.
Hello mommy.
I want to say a very big thank you. I'm going to put this in my office here. Because I was meant to understand that it's you guys that made it for me, isn't it? Thank you so much. Do you know that this is my first Christmas card? And when you are blessed with children, anything one wants in life, once the children loves you, sky is your limit. And I know that sky is my limit. Thank you for welcoming me back. But one thing I don't understand, why is it that you guys always come and you don't tell me you are coming? It's always surprise. In my first tenure, you came 3 times to surprise me. You remember you gave me that black cool bag? You remember? In 2019 or 2020 Christmas, you came to see me and you brought me a Christmas gift. Because of that love that you have for me, till today, I'm still using that bag. I carry that bag with me every day for the past 2.5 years. And today, you brought me a Christmas card, the first Christmas card that I'm receiving. I'm going to place this in my office so that everybody will know. Because the love of designing this Christmas card is what matters to me. It's not the way it is, because it's beautiful. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the Almighty Lord continue to bless you, keep you in good health, because you are the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you so much. And teachers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much. You know, as you are taking good care of these children, so God will take care of your own children. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And the Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Benin City, by Lumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.